down. Not everybody saw heavy rain and severe weather, mind you, but we did have some storms up in Las Cruces this afternoon and then that big storm on the west side of town. Here's what we're tracking right now. This is generally some light rain, some sprinkles. That's really about it. Nothing coming down in buckets or heavy what we're tracking right now along Loop 375, Highway 54. It's all making its way towards the west. Certainly a lot of clouds out there. That's keeping the temperatures down just a bit. There's Doñana County. We're not tracking any thunderstorms out here in the county. Farther down towards the south, you can see out here in Hudspeth County, a little cell right here, a little rain shower. Just right along Highway 180, but that is about it. Now, if you look again at what we're seeing, just some light rain also out to the west of us. This was the storm. This was the severe storm issued by the National Weather Service, and you can see why. We have all this red color, heavy rain coming down in sheets and buckets, and then you kind of make out right here. This was the hail core, and we did get some reports of ping pong ball size hail. And as we go ahead and zoom in here, you can kind of see where the hail core was as we tracked it. Wrestler Drive, there's the interstate there. There's Borderland. Here's Canutillo, so just south of Canutillo. Artcraft Road, you can see there's Santa Teresa just north of there for the most part. This was the hail track. This was some of the reports. An employee of the National Weather Service reported ping pong ball size hail, as I mentioned. That's a little larger than quarter size hail, and it's quarter size hail that does the damage. Anything quarter size and larger will do damage to area roofs and also cars. So maybe some of you in that area perhaps had a little bit of some damage. There's a look at our rainfall estimates. We had some reports of just over an inch of rain out along Borderland and Canutillo area. And you can see along East Red Road there, Wrestler Drive. This was the pocket that had some of the heavier rain. All right, there's a look at our latest future track computer model. And as we run the model, you can see as we continue to make our way through tonight that a lot of this rain will move off towards the west. But again, we can't rule out these little outflow boundaries that develop, and that can initiate other storms like it did on the west side this evening with some of the heavier weather. All right, 2 o'clock in the morning, still maybe a few isolated showers around, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, although the rain chances right now will be about 20% now for the rest of tonight and into the overnight hours. Rain cooled air. We have 79 in Las Cruces, 77 in Deming, 81 right now out at the airport, 88 in Alamogordo. We have some 90s out there in Sierra Blanca and Van Horn out in Culberson County, holding at 94 degrees. Here's how things look tonight. 74 will be the overnight low. 20% chance of a thunderstorm. We'll have partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, day much like today. Mix of clouds and sunshine. A 40% chance of a thunderstorm. Partly sunny skies. Very muggy, very humid. Lots of fuel in the atmosphere to see some of these storms pop up again. All right, overnight in Las Cruces, 70. 30% chance of a thunderstorm. Tomorrow, we're looking at 94 degrees, about a 50% chance of storms, primarily later in the afternoon and into tomorrow night. So 97 tomorrow, 92 on Thursday, 94 on Friday. The chance of storms going to hang with us all the way through Friday, even the weekend, although the weekend rain chances start to come down a little bit. 20 to 30% chance Saturday and Sunday, and we'll kind of hang on to those storms, as you can see, Monday, Tuesday at 20%. We'll take a break. Look at sports this next.